How to print and share a listing. First, bring the listing up. Once you have it in this form, just click on the MLS ID number, bring it right on up. Now, in order to print a listing, first select your layout. We don't want to go and print our agent full layout. There may be some information on there we don't want others to see. But we can go to the public version, the client version, and so on. Let's pick the public version this time. Now, we can, of course, request more information from the agent on this. We can set up a showing and so on. And how do we print? Simply click on the left click on your mouse. Go ahead and print. Your printer will come up, and now you can accomplish that. Another thing that we can do with our listing here is print out some brochures. And we've gone and given you 6 different ones. So we just want to go up here to the word layout, get our drop-down menu, see all the different views of our listing, and then click on brochure prints. There's 6 different ones. They're all branded for you, not us. You'll want to print them out in color. Keep the back blank so that individuals can put on notes and so on. Great for hand carrying to other agents and also for open houses. And more to come on those. Now, we want to port this over to social media. How easy is this? Here's the listing itself. It's ready to go, and I want to send it right to Facebook. You just hover over the icon, give it a click. My Facebook page comes up. Now I can do a couple of things from here. I can go ahead and put some verbiage in, and then just click on the share button, and it'll go right to our Facebook page.